Hi, I'm Jessica Taylor from inkitupwithjessica.com, and in this video I want to show you 35 cards that I made with the most wonderful time product medley from Stampin' Up! If you watch till the end of this video, I'll show you how I made all of these cards so quickly. If you want to take a longer look at any of these cards, just hit the pause button. I'm sure you can find some great layout ideas to use with other supplies that you have on hand. I took this entire product medley along with some Old Olive, Whisper White, and Real Red cardstock and my Real Red and Old Olive ink pads to the lake one weekend so that I could make cards. I also used, in addition to the product medley and those few things, the stitched shape dies. These are some of my favorite dies, and so I always have them handy. These are just really simple cards that you don't need to have a ton of supplies for. I do wish that I would have had some embossing folders with me. When I did get back into my craft room with all of my supplies, I did start using some embossing folders and another Merry Christmas stamp and a few other things on my cards. Now let me show you what comes in the Most Wonderful Time product medley. It has a stamp set with a nice tree, some candy canes that you can hang on it. My favorite stamp is the Hope You Have a Wonderful Christmas. I've used this for a lot of my Christmas cards. You can stamp the presents with the bows in a different color over top of them. And it does have a few other Christmas greetings as well. It also comes with a coordinating set of dies. So the trees cut out the tree stamps, the present die cuts out the present stamp, and then there's a nice label for your greetings and a star and a little angel as well. My favorite part is that it comes with pretty papers. It has 48 sheets of 6x6 paper that is double-sided. So there's 6 different designs and you get 8 of each. One side has like a gold foil that makes it shimmer and shine. So it's really pretty. Then on the other side, this is my favorite, I think, are just some more basic patterns that you could use. Christmas trees and stars. It also comes with 12 gold card fronts. So these are already cut to size for the front of your card. So there's 3 different designs and you get 4 of each. I already used all of the little star pieces to make cards with. Then it also comes with some sticker sheets. So these aren't thin stickers, these are thicker stickers, and thicker stickers, say that 10 times fast. And you can see that I've used a lot of mine already. But they're really easy to peel up and they are self-adhesive, just like stickers are, so they're easy to use on your cards. With some fun tinsel trim, so it's kind of half maybe white or clear and then half gold, very fun. And then some gold stars that are self-adhesive that you can stick on the top of your trees, I think is the best place for them. When I did get back in my craft room with all of my supplies, I started using the Merry Christmas stamp from, I think it's called Perfectly Plaid, because I liked how big it was, and so it made even quicker Christmas cards. You can see with these. Then I started adding in even more supplies that I had, like the rectangle stitched dies and the pine wood planks embossing folder on the background here. On this one, I used the Friesen Fun bundle, the little penguin from that stamp set and the coordinating die. And then on this one, I used the Dainty Diamonds embossing folder on the background. So you can use this product medley on its own, or you can pair it with other craft supplies that you already have. One of the reasons that I was able to put all of these cards together so quickly is because I use One Sheet Wonder templates. I love them so much. So basically what a One Sheet Wonder template is it's a way to cut up one sheet of pretty paper. So all of these candy cane pieces were from one sheet of 6x6 paper that had this candy cane design on it. And this template is from the One Sheet Wonder Card Club, which is my card club where I share a monthly template with you. When you join the club, you get access to the Ultimate Template Library, which is full of 5 years, over 5 years now, of One Sheet Wonder templates. Some of them are 6x6, some of them are 8.5 by 11, some are 12 by 12. So I started way back at the beginning. My first 6x6 template that I shared with the club was from July 2016, and these are the 3 cards that I made with it. So I just cut the paper according to the template, and then I use it to make these cards. Easy peasy. For these 5 cards here, I started by cutting up a piece of the presents paper with the March 2018 template from the One Sheet Wonder Club. These 3 cards and one little extra bookmark are from the June 2018 template from the One Sheet Wonder Card Club. If you're interested in joining the One Sheet Wonder Card Club, you can go to onesheetwonderclub.com. And once you join us, you can join either monthly or annually. Once you join us, you'll have access to the Ultimate Template Library, where you can scroll through, as I said, over 5 years of past One Sheet Wonder templates. Pick the one you want, and we will help you turn all of those pretty pattern papers that you've been hoarding into cards, and we'll help you do it fast. Whether you use the most wonderful time product medley or you use other kind of products that go together that you already have, you can make so many cards with the same supplies. So I hope that you will try to do that. I hope you have a wonderful day. Happy stamping!